Hi guys, it's your girl TG Weeks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new subscribers, you are welcome, and if you are old subscriber, you are welcome. For the new subscriber, please, I hope you enjoy my video so you can subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you can get informed whenever I make new posts. Thank you very much for subscribing. Please do that now. Just click on the notification bell. It's not going to take time. Subscribe for me. Thank you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make knotless braid. Knotless braids. The special knotless braid that you see babes rock. I'm going to be showing you how to make knotless. It's very easy. Okay, for this very particular week, I could not film while I was making it because it was urgent in a way, but this is how knotless braid look like. You can style knotless braid. You can see I'm not done with the full plaiting, so I think one of these days I'm going to show you guys how I made or how I ventilate my full lace. It's very important I show you guys so that many of you will see how I ventilate my full lace. So this is knotless braid. I could not film this wig, like I could not film while I was making this wig because it was urgent, but today I am going to be showing you how knotless braid. Sit down, relax with your bottle of Coke. Yes, if you don't have bottle of Coke, just relax and watch me make knotless braid. With this video, I believe you too can make knotless braid. It's not hard. You can sit down, try and practice it and get your knotless braid. Thank you.